Today's project is putting on my Nerf bars. I have 7 kids, or grandkids, and 3 kids, 7 grandkids, and they're going to need a little help getting in this truck. It's a little high. This is my APS Nerf bar steps. Just got them about half an hour ago. Instructions, some other parts. Let's get started. This was covered with tape. We're going to start mounting our mounting brackets using those holes. And there's the other side. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here's the trick. This bolt is slightly threaded into this nut. Then you stick it through that hole and try to get the end of the bolt out here. Then you put the plastic washer on it to hold it in there. And I've almost lost it just now, so I better get it tightened up. Okay, I want to tell you what a pain is. This started out here, which was fairly hard to do. And once you get this bolt on, you take this bolt off, and then you've got to stick a bolt through the bracket and try to catch the hole and have it right here where you need it, and not have it going up and down while you're trying to get it to go into the hole. So this one's on. It says not to tight, so let's go do the rear. Got the mounting bracket and mounting support brackets attached loosely. This one was not as hard as the other one, I guess because I could get my finger in that hole and hold the bracket where it needed to be. So I've got that much done. This is the front passenger front bracket, and that was the rear bracket over here. Well, I got the passenger side done. The driver's side goes on the same way, just reversed. It wasn't too bad, just uncomfortable. This is a lifted truck, so I didn't have to put it up on stands or anything. The finished step didn't look too bad on the truck.